6G Cybersecurity Workshop. Powered by Tonex.
As the world stands on the brink of the 6G revolution, the cybersecurity landscape is poised for significant transformation. The Developing 6G Cybersecurity Strategies and Supporting Policies Workshop by Tonex is designed to equip professionals with the knowledge and tools needed to navigate the complexities of 6G security. This intensive workshop delves into the unique challenges posed by 6G networks, the strategies to mitigate risks, and the policies necessary to support robust cybersecurity frameworks.
Learn why you should attend this course.
Course outlines. Module 1. Introduction to 6G Cybersecurity. Module 2. Strategic Frameworks for 6G Cybersecurity. Module 3. Policy Development for 6G Security. Module 4. Technological Aspects of 6G Security. Module 5. Case Studies in 6G Cybersecurity. Module 6. Hands-on Exercises and Collaboration. 6G Cybersecurity Workshop. Powered by Tonex.
Request more information. Sign up as a group. Please visit Tonex website www.tonex.com.